everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we have to study how to compute the volume of a pyramid. The problem that we have today is I'm going to read, find the volume of a pyramid with a square base side 6 meter and a height of 4 meters. So we have to have the solutions. We have to follow the formula. Volume equals 1/3 base times height, and we have to write the given. The given is the square base side. We have 6 meter and the height is 4 meter, and after that we have to substitute it from the formula. So volume equals 1/3 base. Square base is 6, so we're going to multiply the side 6 times 6, then times the height, which is 4. Then the result, 6 times 6 times 4 equals 144. Then 144 times 1 equals volume equals 144 divided by 3. So the volume now equals 48 cubic meters. Okay, we have to solve now number 2. And number 2, the given is volume 15,750 cubic centimeter, and the height is 30 centimeter, and the length is 5 centimeter, and we're going to find the width. So in this situation, we can determine that the given pyramid is a rectangular, while in number 1 a while ago is a square pyramid, because the given base is square base side. Because the pyramid we can determine through the base of the pyramid. That's why for every base, different formula that we're going to use. This time, the base of this the given pyramid, the base is rectangular. So that's why we're going to use the formula to have the solution. The formula is volume equals 1/3 length times width times height. So meaning to say, we're going to multiply the length height. We have to substitute. Volume equals 15,750 equals 1/3 times the given length, which is 5 times W, times the height, which is 30. W not given, that's why it's still W that we're going to write. Then we're going to multiply now 30 times 5 times W equals 150 W. Then we have to multiply 150 W times 1. That's why we have volume of 15,750, copy lang yan, equals 150 W over 30. And then, since we have a denominator of the right side of the equation, we're going to multiply it both sides by 3. So that's why 3 times 15,750 with the volume equals 150 over 3 times 3. So the result of our 3 times 50 times 70 equals 47,250 equals 150 W for the right side of the equation. And then, since we're computing for the W, we have to eliminate the 150, which is the numerical coefficient of W. That's why we're going to divide both sides by 150. And the result, 150 divide, so the remaining is W. And 47,250 divided by 150, we have 315 centimeter. So that's the W now, the width. Okay, the next problem is number 3, which is the given is volume equals length, height equals 5 centimeter. The square base side equals 15 centimeter. So in this situation now we can, since the given is the square base, so we can assume that the pyramid is this square pyramid. Now the solution, so we have to write the formula: volume equals 1/3 times the square base side squared times height equals 1/3. So since the square base side is given 15, so we're going to double it, 15 times 15. Then the height is 5 multiplied times 5. Then the result, 15 times 15 times 5 equals 125. Then multiply by 1125 times 1 equals 125 divided by 3. Then we're going to divide it, 1125 divided by 3. So the volume now equals 375 cubic centimeter. We come now to number 4 problem. Given volume equals 32 cubic meter, height equals 6 meters, and we're going to find the square base side. So this time, the same, since the missing is the square base, so we can assume that the kind of pyramid that we're going to solve is the square pyramid. So solution, the same formula that we're going to use. Volume equals 1/3 times the square of the square base side times height. Then we have to substitute. The volume given is 32 equals 1/3, and the square base side we don't have, so just copy only, just bring down, and times the height, which is 6. Then we have to multiply it. 6 times s squared times 1 equals 6s squared over 3. Then the volume, which is 32, just only bring down. And now, since the denominator of the right side of the equation, we have 3, so we have to divide it, we have to multiply it by 3 both sides. So that's why the result, 3 times 32 equals 96, and the denominator 3 and 3 is cancelled, so we have the remaining 6s squared. Then after that, we're going to eliminate the numerical coefficient of s squared, which is 6. So we're going to divide it both sides by 6. So now 6 divided by 6, we have 1. 1 times s squared equals s squared. Then 96 divided by 6 equals 16. And the square root of 16, we have 4. So therefore, the square base side equals 4 meters.